What's going on, man? Y'all see the kid back with another video. Fit check. Before I even get into the video, we gotta do a fit check, y'all. We gotta do a fit check. You feel me? Feel me? Boom. Boom. Feel me? That's just a little small little drip. When I want to do something, I do something. You feel me? But on today's video, it's basically like a, I don't know, I guess another update review, because y'all ain't even see when I put the fenders in my door on my 3rd gen Camaro. I already done did it, so I'm gonna show y'all how that look real quick. You feel me? Woo-wee. My baby look like a car. Oh yeah, the door work too. You feel me? Yeah, door work too. Y'all know it old, so I gotta slam it. I just don't like that. I don't know what that. I guess that's what it's supposed to do. I don't know. I don't care. But this how she looking, y'all. You feel me? Let me walk back some more so y'all can get a full. That's my 83 Z28. You feel me? Yes, sir. Get back on here. Excuse my French. That's the other fender. Let me get a good view. Hold on, man. And I got the. So the video stopped. Now I got to do this again, back what I was just doing. So I got to step back up here with the Nikes. Y'all up back. That's the view. Yeah, that's how she looking, y'all. Like an overall view. Yes, bro. Got that the Spider-Man going on. Bro, y'all gotta like my video, bro. I'm stepping all up in here with my white Nikes on, bro. Got the F with the kid. You feel me? That's what I'm building for my new subscribers, man. So y'all y'all subscribe to the right channel. You feel me? Like, hey, I'm finna go up. So basically what the video is kinda about, it's me putting a pause on this. Now let me tell you why. Long story short, I had like a little hiccup in life where it kind of slowed me down, and I can't necessarily focus on this build. Well, focus on a build in general, you feel me? Because life, yeah. So in the meantime, what I'm probably gonna do is take a little break from YouTube, because I want to give y'all, and let me stand this up. So yeah, bro, so I'm really gonna take a little break, you feel me, so I can get right mentally. And in the meantime of me taking that break, I'm gonna be buying parts and stuff, you feel me, for the car. So about time I come back to record to give y'all the content. Bro, why the light keep messing up? There we go. So about time I come back to record to give y'all the content, I'll be having like an unboxing video and everything. So, oh, I gotta show y'all where I am with the motor. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so last time I showed y'all the motor, I just had, you feel me, showing y'all that this spin. But I'm fairly done. Whoa. Y'all looking like, what? Man, I got the pistons in, bro. Let's go. This whole side, let's go. But y'all see it? I think I put the, did I put the caps on? Let me see if I'm able to spin it. No, it do spin. I mean, of course. Yeah, it do spin though. I already done tested it out. But this is the progress. Now I'm gonna show y'all why this piston is not in there. I think I took it off. Y'all already took them off. It is. Did I throw it away? Okay, I can't find it. But in the meantime, this ring is an oil ring. It bent, y'all. So I was trying to see, do they sell oil rings by themselves? They do, but not for this brand. So I have to buy a whole nother pack. A whole nother pack, which is $50 for one ring. This is my 2nd time doing this. I had to buy some bearings too. Whole pack, $40. But I kind of glad I did that, because I end up needing like 3 of them. You feel me? So yeah, man, that's the progress. You feel me? Last little look. But so yeah, man, as I was saying, like I wanted to drop the video to keep y'all updated on what's going on. Kinda gonna be taking a little break so I can get right mentally, you feel me? Get my bread. Then, like I said, in the meantime, I'm gonna be just getting parts and stuff. So when I drop again, cause y'all need the full potential of me. I don't want to be inconsistent. I was dropping videos like twice a week, you feel me? Now I'm dropping them things like once every 2 weeks or something like that. But yeah, so that's what I'm building for my new subscribers, man. LS got it board. What else? Oh, got the machine, got my heads milled. Like, I'm finna do the whole 9 with just, you know, stock internals. Yeah, but I'm slim, bro. But yeah, man, that's basically the update, bro, for my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all subscribing. That means y'all like what I'm doing. But if you like it, you gotta like it, the video. You feel me? And gotta comment too. And for my old subscribers, y'all already know how we rocking, bro. Y'all know how we doing everything. Until next time, man. Yeah, just tune in, hit that notification bell so y'all know when I'm dropping. I ain't gonna be gone too long, you feel me? But yeah, peace.